3. Epson EcoTank ET-2750. Next up, we have the Epson EcoTank ET-2750, which is a good choice as a sublimation printer for heat press because of its competent features. It is affordable and provides everything that you will find in a professional heat transfer sublimation printer. So our recommendation is to buy this affordable printer if you are not willing to go for expensive ones. Buying expensive printers will do you no good when you already have a budget-friendly alternative. We are talking about the Epson EcoTank ET-2750, which offers all the prime features at his greatly reduced price. Now let's discuss the key features to help you decide whether this printer suits your requirements or not. Epson EcoTank ET-2750 has a lot of hype these days because of the productive features it has. From saving money to getting refillable ink tanks, all is provided in this printer for long-term use. If you are someone who is facing difficulty meeting deadlines because of work overload, then surely this printer is your go-to. It will excel your work speed and help you get things done on time. You will also be able to make yourself some savings because of the Epson ink. The special Epson Ink is affordable and can last up to a year or so. If you are worried that you will have to buy multiple inks and pay more money, then don't, because the Epson Ink 102 is compatible with all kinds of printers. You can use this ink with your other printers too. These printers are not too weighty. They come in mini sizes weighing about 5.5 kg, which can be moved around easily. It has huge ink storage on one side too, but it does not affect the weight of the printer. There is very little leakage of this printer, so it produces very high-quality readable letters. Its resolution is 1200 x 2400 dpi. A link to the product has been given in the description below.